Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous football player with a net worth of $45 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Thiago Silva. Thiago Silva. T R Go Silva. Thiago Silva. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Thiago Silva. Thiago Silva. Chi R Go Silva. Thiago Silva. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.